Okay, now we've got a nice boiling pot of water for our pasta. We're going to add a little oil to it, a little salt, as you'll see in a moment, and we're going to add our pasta in anticipation of our chicken cacciatore that we've been working on. As you see, we have a rolling boil in our pasta. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to it, not too much. You can use vegetable oil as well if you like. I like the flavor of this on the pasta, so I just add just about a tablespoon or so to it, and you see it calms down the boiling right away. Then we're going to add just a little bit of salt. You can skip this portion if you don't really care for it. I like to put about a teaspoon of salt in there for about a pound of pasta. It'll be just fine, just like that. And then I have a mixture of pastas here. This is a little bit of angel hair, we've got a little bit of spaghetti, and some of it's whole wheat, some of it's just regular semolina. So I like to break these in two to get this, just the smaller portions of it there, and just put that in. Get my spoon. And we'll let this go till it's al dente.